Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore brokerage account transfers with Robinhood step-by-step clip. To begin the process of restoring brokerage account transfers with Robinhood, first, open the Robinhood app or website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings by tapping on the profile icon in the top right corner. Locate the section labeled Investing or Account. Click on Transfers or Account Transfers to access transfer option. Here, you will see the option to restore a transfer. Select the option for Restore Transfer or a similar prompt. You will be guided through a series of steps to verify your identity. Provide the necessary information such as your full name, email address, and any required identification verification. Once your identity is verified, you will be asked to input details about the brokerage account you are transferring from. Fill in the account number and the institution's name accurately. Review the information you've entered to ensure it is correct. After confirming the details, proceed to submit your request. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been received. Wait for the processing time, which can vary depending on your previous brokerage. You'll receive notifications via email or the app regarding the status of your transfer. If there are any issues, check the help section or contact Robinhood support for assistance. Once the transfer is complete, verify that your assets and funds reflect in your Robinhood account. Keep track of any pending transactions until you confirm their completion in your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.